Zecurion DLP Online Training. Introduction to Zecurion DLP. Zecurion DLP, Data Loss Prevention, is a security solution designed to protect sensitive information from unauthorized access, loss, or leakage. Here's a basic overview of Zecurion DLP. Key features: data discovery identifies and classifies sensitive data across various storage locations, such as file servers, databases, and cloud storage. Data protection implements policies to prevent unauthorized access and sharing of sensitive information. This includes controlling data transfers through email, web, and removable media. Policy enforcement allows organizations to create and enforce custom data protection policies based on data types, user roles, and compliance requirements. Real-time monitoring monitors and logs data access and transfers in real time, providing insights into potential security breaches and policy violations. Incident response provides tools for responding to and managing data breaches or policy violations, including alerts and reports. Integration can integrate with other security solutions and IT systems, such as endpoint protection, network security, and identity management systems. Compliance helps organizations meet regulatory requirements and industry standards, such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS, by ensuring data protection and privacy. Benefits: enhanced security protects sensitive data from unauthorized access and potential breaches. Improved compliance assists in adhering to data protection regulations and standards. Operational efficiency streamlines data protection processes and reduces the risk of data loss or leakage. Use cases: protecting intellectual property secures proprietary business information from unauthorized access and theft. Regulatory compliance ensures adherence to data protection laws and industry regulations. Preventing data breaches mitigates the risk of data breaches by monitoring and controlling data transfers. Zecurion DLP Core Features and Capabilities. Zecurion DLP, Data Loss Prevention, offers a suite of features designed to safeguard sensitive information and ensure data security. Here are some of its core features and capabilities. Data discovery and classification. Zecurion DLP scans and identifies sensitive data across various locations, such as endpoints, networks, and cloud storage. It classifies this data based on predefined policies or custom criteria. Policy enforcement. It allows for the creation and enforcement of data protection policies. This includes defining rules for how data should be handled, shared, and protected according to organizational requirements and regulatory standards. Data monitoring and protection. The solution monitors data in use, at rest, and in transit. It detects and prevents unauthorized access, sharing, or transfer of sensitive information. This includes monitoring emails, file transfers, and web activities. Incident management. Zecurion DLP provides tools for managing and responding to data security incidents. It includes alerting mechanisms, detailed incident reports, and response workflows to address potential breaches or policy violations. Endpoint protection. It offers capabilities to protect data on endpoints such as desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. This includes blocking or restricting the transfer of sensitive information through removable media, network connections, or cloud services. Integration and compatibility. The solution integrates with other security tools and systems, such as SIEM, Security Information and Event Management, platforms, for enhanced data protection and incident management. User activity monitoring. Zecurion DLP tracks and analyzes user activities related to sensitive data. It helps in understanding patterns of data usage and identifying potential insider threats or risky behaviors. Compliance management. It assists organizations in meeting various regulatory requirements such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS by ensuring that sensitive data is managed and protected in accordance with compliance standards. Reporting and analytics. The solution provides comprehensive reporting and analytics capabilities. It generates detailed reports on data protection status, policy violations, and incident trends, helping organizations to make informed decisions and improve their data security posture. Customizable rules and policies. Zecurion DLP allows for the customization of rules and policies to align with specific organizational needs and industry regulations, providing flexibility in data protection strategies. Deployment and integration options for Zecurion DLP. Zecurion DLP, Data Loss Prevention, offers several deployment and integration options to fit different organizational needs. Here's a rundown of the primary options. Deployment options. On-premises deployment. Description. Zecurion DLP is installed on servers within your organization's infrastructure. This setup provides full control over the system, data, and security. Pros: full control over data and security, customizable to specific organizational needs. Cons: requires internal resources for management and maintenance, upfront capital investment. Cloud-based deployment. Description: the DLP solution is hosted in the cloud, typically provided as a SaaS, software as a service, model. Pros: reduced infrastructure costs, scalability, easier to manage and update. Cons: data resides off-site, reliance on vendors' cloud security. Hybrid deployment. Description: combines on-premises and cloud components. For example, sensitive data can be protected on-premises while cloud applications are monitored. Pros: flexibility to adapt to changing needs, can offer both control and scalability. Cons: complexity in integration, potential for increased management overhead. Integration options. Integration with existing security infrastructure. SIEM systems. Zecurion DLP can integrate with Security Information and Event Management (SIEM) systems for centralized monitoring and analysis. Endpoint protection solutions. Integration with endpoint protection tools enhances the ability to monitor and control data flow on devices. Integration with cloud services. Cloud storage providers. Integration with cloud storage services like AWS S3, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud to monitor and protect data stored in the cloud. SaaS applications. Integration with applications such as Office 365, Salesforce, and others to safeguard data within these platforms. Network integration. Network monitoring tools. integration with network monitoring and management tools to ensure that data loss prevention policies are enforced across the network. Firewalls and proxies, integration with firewalls and proxies to control and monitor data transfers across network boundaries. API integrations. Custom integrations, use of APIs to integrate Zecurion DLP with other IT systems and applications for tailored solutions. Automation. APIs can facilitate automation of responses to data loss incidents or policy breaches. Active Directory integration. User and group management, integration with Active Directory to manage user roles, access controls, and policies based on organizational structure. Protecting against insider threats with Zecurion DLP. Zecurion Data Loss Prevention (DLP) is designed to help organizations protect against insider threats by providing robust security features. Here are some key strategies and features to consider. Key features for protecting against insider threats. Content inspection. Zecurion DLP can inspect data at rest, in motion, and in use. This includes scanning documents, emails, and other forms of communication for sensitive information. This helps in identifying and preventing unauthorized access or leakage of confidential data. Policy enforcement. You can define and enforce policies based on the type of data, its sensitivity, and the user's role. This ensures that only authorized personnel can access or transfer sensitive information. Behavioral analysis. Zecurion DLP can monitor user behavior for signs of suspicious activity. This includes tracking access patterns, data usage, and interactions with sensitive information. Anomalies in behavior can trigger alerts or automated responses. Endpoint protection. Implementing endpoint protection helps monitor and control data transfers on individual devices. This includes blocking or encrypting sensitive data on USB drives, external storage devices, or during file transfers. Data encryption. Encrypting sensitive data ensures that even if it is intercepted or accessed by unauthorized individuals, it remains unreadable without the proper decryption keys. Real-time alerts. The system can provide real-time alerts for any policy violations or suspicious activities. This allows for immediate response to potential insider threats. Access controls. Implement strict access controls based on user roles and data sensitivity. This helps in minimizing the risk of unauthorized access to sensitive information. Audit and reporting. Regularly audit and review logs and reports to track data access and policy compliance. This helps in identifying potential insider threats and assessing the effectiveness of your DLP policies. User education. Educate employees about data protection policies and the risks of insider threats. Awareness and training can reduce the likelihood of accidental or intentional data breaches. Implementation tips. Define clear policies. Ensure that data protection policies are well-defined and communicated across the organization. Policies should align with regulatory requirements and industry standards. Customize alerts. Tailor alerts and responses based on the criticality of the data and the sensitivity of the activity. This helps in focusing resources on the most significant threats. Regular updates. Keep the DLP system updated with the latest security patches and threat intelligence. This helps in staying ahead of emerging threats and vulnerabilities. Integration with other security tools. Integrate Zecurion DLP with other security tools such as SIEM systems, IAM solutions, and endpoint protection platforms for a comprehensive security posture. Compliance and regulatory support in Zecurion DLP. Zecurion DLP, Data Loss Prevention, offers robust compliance and regulatory support through several key features. Policy management. Zecurion DLP allows you to create and enforce policies that align with various compliance standards such as GDPR, HIPAA, and PCI DSS. These policies help in identifying and protecting sensitive data, ensuring that your organization adheres to regulatory requirements. Data classification. The platform provides advanced data classification capabilities, allowing you to categorize and manage data based on its sensitivity. This classification helps in applying the appropriate protection measures and ensuring compliance with regulatory standards. Real-time monitoring and reporting. Zecurion DLP offers real-time monitoring of data activities and provides detailed reports and alerts. This feature is crucial for demonstrating compliance during audits and for tracking any potential data breaches or policy violations. Incident response. The platform includes tools for incident detection and response, allowing you to quickly address any data breaches or policy violations. This is essential for maintaining compliance and minimizing the impact of any security incidents. Integration with existing systems. Zecurion DLP can integrate with other security and compliance systems, enhancing your overall ability to manage and enforce regulatory requirements. This integration helps in maintaining a unified approach to data protection and compliance. Encryption and data masking. To comply with data protection regulations, Zecurion DLP offers encryption and data masking features. These tools help protect sensitive information both at rest and in transit, ensuring that it is not exposed inappropriately. Audit trails. The platform maintains comprehensive audit trails of all data-related activities. These records are valuable for compliance audits and investigations, providing evidence of how data is handled and protected. Real-time monitoring and reporting in Zecurion DLP. Zecurion Data Loss Prevention, DLP, provides robust real-time monitoring and reporting capabilities to protect sensitive data and ensure compliance. Here's an overview of how you can leverage these features. Real-time monitoring. Data flow inspection. Zecurion DLP continuously monitors data as it moves across your network. It inspects data at rest, in use, and in transit to detect any unauthorized or suspicious activities. Policy enforcement. It allows you to set and enforce policies for data handling. Real-time monitoring ensures these policies are adhered to and alerts you if any violations occur. User activity tracking. The system tracks user activities related to data access, modification, and transmission. This helps in identifying potential insider threats or accidental data leaks. Content inspection. It analyzes content within emails, documents, and other data sources for sensitive information. This helps in preventing data breaches and ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. Alerts and notifications. You receive immediate alerts and notifications if any suspicious activity or policy violation is detected. This allows for swift action to mitigate potential risks. Reporting. Comprehensive dashboards. Zecurion DLP offers dashboards that provide a real-time overview of your data protection status. You can view metrics on policy violations, data movements, and user activities. Customizable reports. Generate customizable reports based on various criteria such as date range, type of incident, or specific policies. This helps in detailed analysis and audit trails. Incident analysis. Reports include detailed information about detected incidents, including the source, type, and severity of the breach. This aids in understanding the context and impact of each incident. Compliance reporting. Zecurion DLP helps in generating reports required for regulatory compliance, such as GDPR or HIPAA. These reports provide evidence of adherence to data protection standards. Trend analysis. Analyze trends over time to identify patterns or recurring issues. This can help in refining data protection strategies and improving overall security posture. Case studies. Successful implementation of Zecurion DLP. Zecurion DLP, data loss prevention, is known for its comprehensive approach to data security, addressing various needs from monitoring to protecting sensitive information. Here are a few case studies showcasing successful implementations. 1. Financial institution. Challenge. A large financial institution faced difficulties managing and protecting sensitive financial data due to a growing number of security breaches and compliance requirements. Implementation. Zecurion DLP was deployed to monitor data transfers, detect suspicious activities, and enforce data protection policies across various channels, including email and file transfers. Outcome. The institution experienced a significant reduction in data breaches and compliance violations. Enhanced visibility into data flows and robust protection mechanisms helped in securing sensitive customer information, improving overall trust and regulatory compliance. 2. Healthcare provider. Challenge. A major healthcare provider needed to protect patient health records and comply with stringent regulations like HIPAA while ensuring smooth operations. Implementation. Zecurion DLP was implemented to monitor data access and movement across the network, including cloud applications. The solution provided real-time alerts for any unauthorized access or potential data leaks. Outcome. The provider achieved better compliance with HIPAA regulations and enhanced data protection for patient information. The solution also streamlined the monitoring process, allowing IT teams to focus on other critical tasks. 3. Manufacturing company. Challenge. A global manufacturing company wanted to safeguard its intellectual property and proprietary designs from internal and external threats. Implementation. Zecurion DLP was used to enforce data protection policies, monitor internal data usage, and prevent unauthorized sharing of sensitive designs and research materials. Outcome. The company saw a decrease in data leakage incidents and improved control over its intellectual property. The DLP solution helped in protecting valuable research and development efforts, reducing the risk of competitive disadvantage. 4. Educational institution. Challenge. An educational institution needed to protect student records and research data while enabling easy access for faculty and staff. Implementation: Zecurion DLP was deployed to monitor and protect sensitive student and research data, while allowing controlled access based on user roles and requirements. Outcome: the institution successfully safeguarded student and research data, ensuring compliance with data protection regulations. The solution also helped in managing data access efficiently, balancing security with usability. 5. Retail business challenge: a retail chain wanted to protect customer payment information and sensitive business data while ensuring smooth daily operations. Implementation: Zecurion DLP was implemented to monitor payment transactions, customer data, and internal communications. It also helped in detecting and responding to potential data breaches in real time. Outcome: the retail business improved its ability to protect customer data, reducing the risk of data breaches and fraud. The solution also supported compliance with data protection standards and enhanced overall security posture. Future trends and innovations in data loss prevention. Future trends and innovations in data loss prevention (DLP) are evolving rapidly to address emerging threats and advancements in technology. Here are some key areas to watch. AI and machine learning. AI and ML are becoming integral to DLP solutions. They can analyze patterns, detect anomalies, and predict potential data breaches with greater accuracy. These technologies enhance the ability to identify and respond to threats in real time. Behavioral analytics. Using behavioral analytics, DLP systems can establish baselines of normal user behavior and detect deviations that may indicate malicious activity or accidental data leaks. This approach helps in identifying insider threats more effectively. Cloud-native DLP solutions. As more organizations migrate to cloud environments, DLP solutions are increasingly designed for cloud-native architectures. This includes better integration with cloud platforms and enhanced visibility and control over cloud-stored data. Data classification and tagging. Advanced data classification and tagging techniques are being developed to improve the accuracy of data protection. These methods help in identifying sensitive data more effectively and applying appropriate protection measures. Integrated DLP and Zero Trust. Combining DLP with Zero Trust security models is becoming more common. This integration ensures that access controls are enforced rigorously and data protection policies are applied based on the trust level of users and devices. Enhanced endpoint protection. Innovations in endpoint DLP focus on providing more granular control over data access and movement on endpoints. This includes improved monitoring of USB devices, file transfers, and application usage. Automated response and orchestration. Automation in DLP is advancing to include automated response actions and orchestration. This reduces the need for manual intervention and speeds up the response to data loss incidents. Privacy regulations and compliance. As privacy regulations continue to evolve, DLP solutions are being enhanced to help organizations meet compliance requirements more effectively. This includes support for GDPR, CCPA, and other regional regulations. integration with other security tools. DLP solutions are increasingly being integrated with other security tools, such as Security Information and Event Management (CM) systems, threat intelligence platforms, and Identity and Access Management (IAM) solutions for a more comprehensive security posture. Advanced encryption and tokenization. Innovations in encryption and tokenization techniques are being developed to protect data at rest, in transit, and in use. These methods ensure that sensitive data remains secure even if it is intercepted or accessed without authorization. Why choose ProExcellency for Zekurion DLP online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Zekurion DLP online training offers several advantages. Expert instructors. ProExcellency typically employs instructors with extensive experience and expertise in Zekurion DLP and data loss prevention (DLP) solutions. This ensures that you receive high-quality training from professionals who are well-versed in the subject matter. Comprehensive curriculum. The training programs often cover a wide range of topics related to Zekurion DLP, including configuration, management, and troubleshooting. This comprehensive approach helps ensure that you gain a thorough understanding of the system. Flexible learning. Online training from ProExcellency allows you to learn at your own pace and on your own schedule. This flexibility can be particularly beneficial if you have other commitments or prefer a self-directed learning approach. Hands-on experience. ProExcellency often includes practical exercises and hands-on labs in their training programs. This allows you to apply what you've learned in a simulated environment, reinforcing your understanding and skills. Certification preparation. If you're aiming for certification, ProExcellency's training programs are designed to prepare you for Zekurion DLP certification exams, providing you with the knowledge and practice needed to succeed. Customer support. ProExcellency typically offers support throughout the training process, including access to instructors for questions and additional help if needed. This support can enhance your learning experience. Reputation and reviews. ProExcellency has a reputation for delivering quality training programs, which is often reflected in positive reviews and feedback from previous participants. This can give you confidence in the effectiveness of their training. Thank you.